Welcome everybody to the channel today. Today I'll be talking about how to invest in the stock market during the recession, giving you a stock market update. And this is for beginners. Beginners, if you have not, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you will know when I go live, okay? And make sure you click that notification bell. If you haven't watched the playlist of stocks, if you're new, make sure you go to the playlist on the channel to get updates about stocks and what I have did previous videos on the channel. Okay, on the stock market update, we have been seeing the stock market go up and down, you guys, and we're gonna be seeing that for a while. And for those of you who don't believe it, you've been here recession. Are we in a recession? Will there be a recession? I do believe that we are already in a mild recession, whether people want to believe it or not. Okay, you guys? So we have to prepare and we have to make sure that we are investing and to build generational wealth for our family. For those of you who keep saying, I don't have the money to invest, Dr. Linda Likely, I would invest in the stock market. I've been sharing how to get free stocks. You can get up to 12 free fractional shares of stocks with Webull. All you have to do is sign up. Sign up. Then you have to verify. You're going to have to make sure it's you with all this fraud going on, you guys.